and I don't miss it. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-da. I can hear myself singing now. Pop out chat. Yeah, I want to have it handy in front of my eyes as well. So, yeah, guys, now you can comment me both from both platforms, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Okay, let me just move myself. Mm, I'm sorry, it's still early in the morning for me, uh, but it's not early for United States market. Let's go. Um, AirPods is doing great. Needs to correct somewhere. Possible correction. It's closing. Uh, it's closing bearish yesterday. Do you this correction now? You see magic. Wow, the biggest volume in point 0.5. How how random. Did this happen before ever with the stock market? Wow. um, Still have place to close the gap. I don't want to manage this position because the position is good. The only thing I want to do with this position is to take it higher. 50% here and another 50% here. Or maybe 30, like, no, 50-50. No more, no less. 50-50. Okay. Comcast let us out. Who knew? Who knew? I could have milked it a little bit. I put it yesterday, moved it to um, 0.5 of this impulse, not the entire wave. Um, could have tried to hold it here, but I mean, I'm out and I'm happy. I'm out and I'm happy because overall, uh, I'm not sure like I'm in the right direction of the market now. What is it? Was it a correction for this movement with the volume superseding this volume, the volume of the spring? Or is it independent approach? Is it already reached its potential to the resistance level, didn't touch it, but didn't change the direction? Like, in for this theory is the fact that it never changed its directionality. But I mean, all in all, I'm glad. Uh, I stopped. I saw it differently, and your ability to turn around, not flip the side, like like some people they do. Like if trade doesn't go their way, they just like immediately flip it in the opposite direction. This is no Buyana. This is just no um, strategy. But ability to be flexible, it's like neuroplasticity almost. Ability to be like fluid, liquid in your vision of the market and flip your vision and act accordingly. Like I was seeing it bullish for whatever reason. But now, boom, I opened my eyes and was like, oh, maybe it's not bullish that anymore. Maybe this is not the level anymore. It's a bar level. It's not a wave level. Maybe it's already reached its potential. Maybe it's now going down here to test this point 0.5. Aha! So that puts me on the wrong side of the market, and maybe it already reached its potential here, and we don't know. We'll know soon. Was I right? Was I wrong? For all I care, I was right in my management, with my deal management, and my ability um, to change my vision, to change my strategy. Like once my vision changed, so it closed me for 41.90. Where is my Comcast? Yeah. So the rest of my position was closed at the 41.90. Once again, I could have milked it a little bit and took a little bit more risk, uh, but I'm content. Uh, and overall, uh, wait. Eh, uh, yeah. And overall, I'll tell you right now, the deal is closed. Uh, uh, mm, I made 1.2 R. So closed uh, at F short impulse of the hour. So instead of making my no, hold on. No, what I'm talking about. Let me do my math. Gosh, why did doing this to me? No, this is not right. Was it full position? It was. No, I only made correction. I only made zero point 0.3 R. It is what it is. Somewhat was I right in my position management? I was. Could I've gotten more? I could have. Should I've gotten more? I should have not. So what else could I have done here? Technically, yeah, there was also I could have split my position again, the rest of position third, and third, but this is just the last of the hour. So the potential of this movement after its spring here was into the half because it's counter trend level. So it goes to the half and then more likely resumes than not. Now it will go into the balance or it will break it. Either it will break it and resume the it was a correction into zero point 0.5 then here. No, where's the correction? Yeah, correction to zero point 0.5, change the direction, bounced, went up. Maybe it's this. Or maybe it will accumulate this balance. It's either a distribution or accumulation. What is it exactly? We'll know soon. Uh, yeah. Maybe this looks more bullish than bearish. But it doesn't matter. Anyways, I was wrong on monthly. I shouldn't have entered here anyways. I should have considered that it's already too close. So this deal is gone and done. Now I put it to the monthly watch. Congrats everyone who was with me on this one. I did. No, I told you wrong. It's not zero point 0.3 of the R. It's zero point 0.3 of desired take profit. And it's 0.59 of my R. It was 0.59 of the R. Like a little bit more than a half. Let me close this position. I'll put a target reach, the little trick. Uh, I didn't reach my 2R, but I did my point 6R. Clo- rest 25% closed today at 49. Oh, it's 49.90 cumulatively. I made 0.59 R on this trade. Will it reach original take profit? We shall. Let me be a little bit bullish. We shall see. We shall see. Was I wrong on my vision of the market? We shall see. Was I right on the management of my position? 100%. That's all I have to say in regards of this deal, and this deal goes to the archive of history. Maybe I'm a chicken. I am a chicken. Uh, Maybe I chickened out too early. This is massive. Doesn't look like correction. I'm possibly wrong on monthly. I can say I'm on the wrong side of the market, but I cannot say I'm on the right side of the market anymore. This spring is history. I'll be waiting market here. You know what I mean? Um, um, yeah, same dealio. I'm starting to suspect I might be on the wrong side of the market. Do I panic about that? Hell no. Uh, will I adjust my action plan? Acting. I think too much about acting because I love acting. I'm an actor. I love trading though too. So yeah, visually it changed the directionality now. Oh, never mind this. This was this, and it, yeah. So we don't have. We shall see. Either it goes up here and goes up, or it breaks down, confirms this trend. Um, we shall see. Ooh, look at this guy. It's like, ooh, this is hurts. Not the company, but my feelings. This hurts. Am I glad that I took 40% of the deal already? 20% at 5 minutes and 20% here at half? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I am. I already made 3 hours cumulatively. So if I'll have to take the rest break even, I'm not gonna cry. This stock is known to make these gaps, you see? AKA gap over earning, aka gap over dividends. Hold on, something is going on. Hi, I'm Jen, and nice to meet you. I'm looking for the other half of my life, someone who can accompany through my life. Um, I'm 36-year-old and single. I like polite men. I'm not polite. If you are very similar to me, please leave me a WhatsApp message. I believe we can be each other's life partners. We can share each other's lives and understand each other better. My WhatsApp. Hey guys, if anyone needs a second half, 36-year-old, uh, looking for polite, hit me up. Let me. What do I answer? would be impolite not to answer, right? So good luck finding finding um, the other half of your life. Yeah, I'm a gentleman. um, yeah, guys, no Buyana. Everything that is going on here today is no Buyana. It's even more so like this. The only Buyana is uh, the only Buyana is and I wish everyone to be the whole life themselves and to have themselves as the whole life. Looking for the second half of your life is not funny um, to me. If you feel incomplete by yourself, damn, I'm not jealous for you at all. I'm actually sad for you. Yeah, guys, this whole shebang is no bueno. This is gap with retest that cannot even retest. Just goes lower. Everything is broken on HSBC. This breaks down, confirms this is down again. It's just in a steady downtrend. Uh, yeah, yeah. We'll watch it. All I can say, we'll watch it. For now, it's doesn't look good. AirPods though is doing great. We'll see how it corrects. And I only have half of the desired position. Yeah, larger map. I think I'll split it. Third, third, and the other third I'll. Uh, what's the opposite to free fall? Free fly? I'll let it to free fly. um, if it forms balance here, I'll close the other third. But if it breaks above and goes higher, I'll just hold it for dear life. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Not now, but by the close of the day or whatever. We have a weekend ahead of us. Hmm. This guy tries to recover with this volume now coming in. Once again, after this volume, I'm suspicious. However, this volume is not good. Technically, I shouldn't have entered after this volume, but I did because I saw this volume. Yeah, we have this volume, and I like something on hourly. I'm pretty sure. No, I didn't like nothing on hourly. Yeah, this stock is just going bananas. I bought it for the monthly situation as we per our conversation. Did I set up my? I need to check if I set. I did. I think I set up my take profits. I think it's an accumulation campaign going on here. Someone is accumulating the stock, or something changed dramatically for this stock, or maybe like I'm so lame and don't know. Like there is also like things like splits or whatever. Maybe something technical happened, but if nothing technical, like something is going on here, some campaign, and I don't think it's a distribution campaign, even though it may be. I think it's more so accumulation campaign. So yeah, I'm in this trade. Um, it's jerking above all this volume that happened here. Um, Not this though, but starting from here, everything that happened here is below us right now, and that was gap and go that didn't go, which is not good. Um, yeah, all this volume sold. I don't even know how to qualify all this now. So yeah, technically it's like this right now. Let's try to bring this guy into the corner of our mm, charting, of our vision of the market. Yeah, it got into point five of this movement. We'll see. We'll just like, what can we do? We'll let this stock to decide what it wants to do. Oops, in its life. Our Lockheed Martin. Yeah, it accumulates. You can't buy from here because it's a resistance level. It's a In our culture, it's also called like support level is a buying area and this is selling area. Maybe I should start calling it that to make it more clear for people. But I kind of follow the general market terminology. It's more, I'm sorry, common to call it support and resistance level. But what it really means, it means that like sell here, buy here. So um, I cannot like buy here in the selling zone in the resistance area, and it broke down. So we are waiting. Yeah, and I already have this. I already did it here. Not here, but where was it? Heinz. Oh, that Dr. Pepper. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have been buying it here anyway. So we're not gonna do this again. Um, However, very often just goes here to point five. It's point five right now. It will bounce and just go higher. Um, I mean, you keep up with the rules. I've been kind of violating them too often recently. See this? If it comes here, it's a buy from here, and it's just a great place for this stock. And it kind of expands its support level, and that's not how the wave is born. However, I know, I mean, technically, it's still in this bullish expanding balance. Still a buy. I'll buy it for sure. If it comes here, does the manipulation signal, I'll buy. Even from hourly. This guy either accumulates or distributes. Definitely something is going on here. So again, technically it's our like area to buy, but practically not gonna do it. Now it's a neutral zone of the short balance in point five of the monthly trend. No, we're gonna let it decide what it wants to do. AstraZeneca unfortunately goes without us. Okay. Our fighter people took profits, closed their positions, and now like market decides what it wants to do. Yeah, you see, it starts like, you can say maybe this was a mistake, an accident. I mean, but it kind of twists and I want to say twist and curls. It doesn't make much sense, but I don't know why. Just want to say it. So I'll say twist and curls. But kind of like, let me see if there is a direct translation of the word, the Russian word I'm looking for. Is the what's coils, twists, regal, serpentine, serpentine. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Like a snake, it just it serpentines, it twists, doesn't know what to do. It's just like there is no definitive overweight of probability. And even though it's a great place to buy in general, but when it didn't stop with all this volume and went lower, maybe like if only it was bullish, you could have seen it like this level. But we won't. We'll play by the book. Um, and yeah, I'd pick it again if it gives me any like decent entry point. But I don't know, like really, even where I would have believed in the stock. as an entry point again. Maybe from here, it's even though it's not official level, but that's like a test level of this, and that's the level of this bar. Yeah. Even if that's all for us for now, I'll be okay. We'll be watching because it's still like an interesting level. So if it makes this bar bullish, then this is a level, and if it goes retest, which I don't think it was, I think really what happens here, it was just an accident. It closed bearish, not by a few ticks, but by a little bit. Like there's almost no spread. I think that was it. That was an exhaustion, and now it never stops with one motion. Now it bounces, and this whole thing is here. This arch. This is this arch. Still counter trend on months and daily. Counter trend on months. Mm, aggressive on daily, so we were only able to play it up to point 0.5. Keep quick 1 to 2 and go. So yeah, we'll need this market to show us more sign. The Pfizer shows the more signs of reversal. This goes without us. You see, like we draw a level, but we understand the cloud of interests, volume zones, and that's what happened. Didn't reach the level, and did it reverse on inferior? Yeah, and it did reverse on inferior time frame. So now it's gone. Now it's gone. Uh, Maybe it will never reach this level again. Maybe it will come for retest. Technically, it's still short. It's got a. Uh, Technically, this is a level. Yeah. So just to chart it right, these are the levels. So there's nothing specifically that prevents this stock. But when this level comes in, yeah, looks like a good juicy reversal. Maybe in here too. In here too. Next volume, no. It's all tested and still uh, not for, yeah. It did reverse on hourly. That was the, can we call it a balance? No, it wasn't a balance. It revert. It broke above and reversed, and then it went down, 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 and then it broke. Yeah, starting from here, we could definitively, according to our rules, we could is the change of directionality um, on inferior time frame. That's like one of the few cases when the inferior time frame can dictate to superior what happened, or indicate rather. Once again, the superior time frame is always like stronger than inferior. So the bar or the wave of inferior time frame is not going to change um, the direction of superior. However, it can indicate, like in this case. So once it changed, so starting from here, especially when it confirmed the first sign of reversal, we could have, yeah, boom, that was an entry point. Oh yeah, you guys, that's what this, no, hold on. Yeah, this is a little bit alarming, but this is like point 0.5 jump over creek, then it goes to test, and then it spring this test with this volume. Here was an entry point. uh, let's watch it. Yeah, let's watch this stock. Let's keep it open. But it's gone. It's gone, unfortunately. It's gone. It bounced. Yeah, that was an entry point. And breaks above again. Yeah. Mm. This guy made it to the like Comcast. It made it to uh, resistance level of this short impulse. So now it's in a balance. So its contextual direction and potential is to support level. It was not bad for short here. Not right position on daily, but no, it was a good position on daily actually in the break of this. Yeah. Oh no, it was not. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, we'll see. Now it can go lower. I would have considered from here. I would. Our Pepsi has gone down, broke below. Once again, easily can bounce from here and go up. But after this volume, on the exhaustion volume of the test, closed below and goes lower. Just doesn't. It just looks like it wants to die. I'm dying. That's our biggest volume of this short trend. He is like, bye bye. This is was the day that I died. I'm not even right with not even sure if the lyric is right, but that's yeah where it is. I don't know, maybe something like this. This is an impulse. But yeah, anyhow, now it's official in the short trend, and yeah, we have to play and see it accordingly. This needs to go down. This has gone without us from point 0.5. Look at this. Oh, ooh, yay. Technically, it's like broke here and goes down, but realistically, after this comes in. Yeah, with all this volume. If it comes here, I'll buy. I don't think it will. Um, it will be like too much by the book. I think this market is. This stock is gone. Bye bye, Stocky. It was nice to meet you. Doesn't change a thing. It's still like we can move this level here now, but it is still violently expanded short impulse. It held it, didn't hold it, went to. Actually, it did hold it slowly. See, it's like spring this level, and then it spring it. I mean, I'm hallucinating. It's not a real thing, but yeah, that's it. I told you I don't have much for Friday. I don't have much for Friday. Uh, if you have any stocks you want me to take a look at, let me know. If not, let me go. Uh, Maybe my evaluation of the market, my vision of the market on Comcast was wrong. We'll see soon. Um, and I definitely violated my own rules on Dr. Pepper. So we'll see soon if His Majesty Market. I'm sorry, I'm not gender neutral for their. Should I say their Majesty? Their Majesty Market. Okay, let me be gender neutral. The Their Majesty Market will show me soon whether it will forgive me for deviations from my own rules. I shouldn't have entered here after it closed down here, but I was believing still. Yeah, so now it's kind of like whether we'll go. It can go just like spring it. We'll see how it interacts, but yeah. Um, HSBC is just dying. Air product is just beautiful, and I think I'll take it. and third in the free fly. Should we call it a free fly? WDC is jerking off. This all is like accumulation campaign. This all is accumulation campaign. I think it will go our direction. Let me see the Comcast one last time. Comcast. Now, of course, I have like FOMO of market just like accumulating here and just going my direction. But once again, it doesn't matter. Once my vision of the market changed here, I rearranged the trade and I was able to uh, scrape, to scalp, to scrape 0.59 of the R, zero point 0.6 of the R. I would never set up a trade for zero point 0.6 of the R, but you know, as an emergency procedure, I'm content. It's definitely either accumulating or distributing. It's either getting ready. Most likely, it's getting ready for going higher, but I cannot say that for sure. And if I cannot say that for sure, then I let it go. So yeah, you guys, that's all I have for today. Um, I'll let this Friday slide. Hmm, because I have nothing better to do. I'm not gonna do. Where was this similar situation? Um, Maybe this situation is better than this. No, better than this, because here you see how far below it's zero point 0.5, and then Lockheed Martin. It's slight. No, it's also like far below zero point 0.5. No, I'm. Who am I following? Honestly, I'll be honest with you, because I'm an honest person. I think it will go. I think it will go from this point 0.5. It bounced pretty decently. I think it's just after this it went above and it stays above it. And just yeah, but it's not within my rules, and I should have entered it then here anywhere above here. So this is still a valid setup. I just don't want to fool around it because I already like fooled around with Dr. Pepper because it's like on monthly it hangs in the middle of nowhere. Um, yeah. So we leave it alone and let it decide. Same here. Still within the entry range, but I mean this accumulation happened to be distribution. So why is it not another distribution? It needs to go here and decide what it wants to do. This guy went without us. Yeah. I missed a lot of stuff due to my whatever. That could have been a multiple bar manipulation because the wave is not normally born like this. So there's another way. After it broke this, we can kind of continue seeing it like this. So this is just up thrust that missed the level by a few ticks, but we want for now. And that would be actually favorable for us because if it goes here, retests this level or manipulates this expanding level of this now balance, that would be good buy. And there's something going on here. This volume came in and then, yeah, you see guys, this is like bearish takeover, initiative takeover. It was a break, all the bulls were happy, then it like doesn't close the reaction bar below the um, resistance. So everyone like, boom, we are in official break with all this volume. Everyone and their grandma is bullish here. Like everything is extremely bullish. and then it does this gap and go that didn't go, that went for retest. Well, technically with this bears it was gap with retest. No, excuse me, what? On hourly is definitely gap with retest, and it retests and goes down. Yeah, you gotta stay reasonably. Even though my statistic is doing better, I cannot fool around. We'll see whether I was wrong. Like again, I was right on my execution plan. Potentially, I was on the wrong side of the market. Anyhow, we'll know soon. I'm gonna let you go and myself. Gonna go for my morning jog and yoga and all of that. But yeah, I see you. Well, it's the weekend ahead of us, so maybe tonight, tomorrow, I'll be streaming through the weekend for sure. We'll try to find more stocks. Take care now. Thanks God it's Friday.